Hello everyone, I am Bibi Zepunisa, student of Keli College of Education, Ankola. Today I speak about teaching competencies. In this, I explain meaning of teaching competency, definitions and its components. So let's start. First is meaning of teaching competencies. Teaching competencies is means to give the desirable changes in learner whatever the effectiveness influence on learner by the teacher with the behavior teaching ability and subject competency. Teaching competencies means to create a learning environment, knowledge and skills implemented by the teacher. This competency and achievement different from teacher to teacher and situation to situation. If a teacher's ability is improved, the teaching effectiveness also improves. So, there is a class relationship between teaching competency and achievement. Definitions of teaching competencies. According to P.O. Smith, all the observational behavior of the teacher which influence the desirable attitude of the children are called teaching competencies. According to H.C. Morrison, teaching competency is the integration of teacher's knowledge, attitude and skill acquired. After that, components of teaching competencies. We can categorize components of teaching competency into 5 kinds. They are as follows. First is competency in personal. Second one, competency in professional. Third one, competency in social. Fourth one, competency in planning. And the last one, competency of interaction in classroom. In that, first is competency in personal. This component includes following elements. First is he or she possesses a good physical fitness. Second one, he or she should always be active. Third one, personally should be careful. And the last one, they must have qualification. Second one, competency in professional. These components includes following elements. First, deep knowledge about teaching of content. Second one, possess and using appropriate teaching skill. Third one, adopting new innovative methods and techniques in classroom teaching. Possess discovery attitude. Third one, competency in social. These components includes following elements. First is they should competent in a openly criticize. Second one, achieving the specific objectives of institution. They should possess good leadership quality, creating a set of friendly atmosphere. And the fourth one, competency in planning. While planning and preparing for the teacher should possess certain competency as follows. Construction of teaching method, selection of teaching method, content analysis, content selection, preparation of teaching materials, preparation of evaluation tools. And the fifth one, competency of interaction in classroom. Teacher while interacting the students, they should possess following competencies: diagnosis, control, motivate, discussion, presentation, evaluation, questioning, providing feedback, and last one, answering. Thank you all for watching this video.